This is related to question number 209, minimum size subarray sum. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Given an array of m positive integers and a positive integer s, find the minimum length of a contiguous subarray of which the sum is bigger equal than s. If there isn't one, return 0 instead. Okay, let's check with example 1. Now is s is 7, so okay, let's check it the first line. This is 2, 5 is 2, 3 is 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one is the bigger than 7. So this length is 4. Okay, and then next let's check from here. 3, 1, 2 is 6. This is 10. So 10, and then okay, let's delete this one. Then this is 1, 2, 4 is 7. So this one is more smaller, right? So in this case, this is 7, so length is 3. Okay, next let's check from here. 2, 4 is 6, and then 10. 10 also bigger than 7. Okay, let's delete 2. Let's start from here. And then for 3 is 7. So minimum length is this one, 2. Okay, how gonna solve it? Okay, today I'm gonna use the two-pointer technique. So first I put the L and R is to start, and then while I increase R, I will calculate the sum between L with R. So that is the bigger than S. I will put into the and then I will check with the minimum length, and then I will update the minimum length, and then finally I will return it. So at this time complexity gonna be a linear time because I've used only one iteration, and space complexity is constant because I just used two-pointer to constant. Okay, let's start implement code. First I need the left is 0, and then sum also 0, and okay, and then min length is the biggest number, so float inf, and then I will iteration, right, in range length of nums. So first I will sum add nums right, so 1 by 1. So L is here, R is here. Sum is first, I will add the 2, so now it's 2. That is making sense? Okay, and then if sum is bigger equal than S, okay, I will explanation why. The region is next. Okay, first let's say the if first, and then I will change later. Sum is S, and at that time I need to, it's time to check the length. So min length is min length with right minus left and plus 1. Actually this one, this 0 and 0 is 0, but length is what? Length is 1. So that is the reason why we added 1. And then put that. Next, okay, first this one, and then now maybe we can start here. This one is 6, 8. This one is the first here. At that time this is 9, so we also would like to check the this one. So this one also the 7. Length is we can reduce more, so I will change this is while, and I will deduct some minus length left, and then not length left, nums left, and then I will increase left 1. Then this will be exit if the sum is the smaller than s. Yeah, that is what we want, right? And then return min length. So okay, let's check the edge case. If num is the empty, what is return value? Return value is now min length is here, and then this one is empty, so this one will like excused. So min length is the float inf. But if there isn't one, we need to return 0. So we need to do some additional. If min length is not infinity, if infinity, return 0. Okay, looks good. Okay, let's double check complexity. Time complexity is we use only one iteration, so linear time, and then constant space because we use only constant variable. Thank you.